Welcome to the top best. The best Nue Tape is probably one of the most versatile and innovative solutions for everyday problems, offering a unique blend of strength, flexibility, and ease of use that sets it apart from traditional tapes. Whether you're tackling a quick household repair, organizing your space, or embarking on a DIY project, this tape promises a reliable and effective hold that you can count on, making it an indispensable tool for anyone looking to simplify their life and achieve professional-looking results with minimal effort. Number 5. Nippies Reusable Silicone Nipple Covers. Introducing Nippies, the ultimate solution for discreet coverage. These reusable silicone pasties offer comfort and confidence throughout your day. Crafted from soft, skin-friendly silicone, they provide a smooth, seamless look under any outfit. Enjoy all-day wear without irritation. Choose between our classic circle style or the innovative lift style for the perfect fit and support. Find the option that best suits your needs. Each pair comes with a convenient travel case, making them easy to take with you anywhere. Maintain your style on the go. Nippies are designed for every woman seeking a reliable and comfortable solution. Feel secure and confident, no matter the occasion. What we like? These offer a simple, reusable solution for discreet coverage. If you need a quick and easy way to go braless without worry, these are a great choice. They are perfect for those who prioritize comfort and convenience for everyday wear. What people say? They still stick even after rinsing them off after use. I've had zero irritation with these covers and my skin is very sensitive. They last all day even in the height of summer and being outside in the sun all day and being fairly sweaty. Number 4. Busties Boob Tape Kit. Introducing the Busties Boob Tape Kit, your solution for a confident lift. This kit is designed for a universal fit, ensuring comfort and support for all. Achieve a beautiful breast lift with ease. Our tape provides the perfect support, making it ideal for larger busts. Experience discreet support with our comfortable booby tape. It's designed to be worn under any outfit without showing. This kit comes complete with nipple petals and covers for added comfort and discretion. You'll have everything you need for a seamless look. Our breast tape offers a universal fit, adapting to your unique shape. Enjoy a secure and comfortable hold all day long. Get the support and lift you desire with this easy-to-use tape. It's the perfect alternative to traditional bras for any occasion. What we like? This kit provides a strong, customizable lift for various breast sizes. If you're looking for a secure and dramatic lift for special occasions or backless outfits, this is the one. It's ideal for those who need reliable support and shaping for larger busts. What people say? The tape is very easy to apply and remove, leaving no residue. It holds securely without damaging surfaces. The tape is strong and durable, perfect for various applications. Number 3. Nippies Women's Stylin Tape. Introducing Nippies Stylin Tape, the ultimate solution for invisible support. Achieve a flawless look with confidence and comfort. This innovative tape provides a secure and discreet hold for any outfit. It's designed to stay in place all day long. Perfect for deep plunges, backless designs, and tricky necklines, it offers unparalleled versatility. You can finally wear what you love without worry. Experience comfort like never before. The breathable material ensures you feel as good as you look, no matter the occasion. It's your secret weapon for achieving that perfect silhouette. Get ready to turn heads with your impeccable style. Applying and removing it is a breeze. Enjoy a hassle-free experience that simplifies your fashion choices. What we like? This tape is designed for fashion emergencies and securing garments in place. If you often find yourself needing to adjust clothing or prevent wardrobe malfunctions, this tape is your secret weapon. It's perfect for anyone who wants to ensure their outfits stay perfectly in place all day. What people say? Came in clutch for dresses and tube tops. Does stick to skin, but it's not hard to remove. Amazing, kept dress in place all night while dancing. I purchased a pack of these for my wedding and they worked really well. They are clear and very thin so you can't see them through your clothes. Recently I used them to hold two pieces of fabric together where a slit intersected. Not only did one piece hold the entire day, but I had taped it 36 hours before I even wore it. Number 2. Sparthos Kinesiology Tape. Recover faster and reduce inflammation with our advanced tape. It's designed to move with you, stretching and flexing to provide pain relief and freedom of movement. Enhance your athletic performance by supporting your muscles. It gently lifts the skin to promote blood circulation, helping your muscles return to their neutral shape quicker. Our tape stays on for 3 to 5 days, even through showers and intense workouts. It's hypoallergenic and latex-free, ensuring it won't irritate your skin. Get the most out of your tape with our free 41-page e-guide. It provides step-by-step instructions for optimal application, no expertise required. Experience the difference for yourself. Order now with our 100% happiness guarantee, so you have nothing to lose. What we like. This offers incredible support and aids in faster recovery for athletes. If you're an athlete looking to enhance performance and speed up muscle recovery, this tape is essential. Its waterproof nature makes it ideal for intense workouts and extended wear. What people say. The tape is easy to apply and remove. It stays on securely without leaving residue. The tape is waterproof and durable. Number 1. Boob Tape Kit for Breast Lift. Introducing the Boob Tape Kit, your ultimate solution for breast lift and support. Achieve the perfect shape and confidence you deserve. This versatile body tape is designed to provide a secure and comfortable lift for all breast sizes, from A to G cups. Get ready to feel amazing. Our specially formulated tape offers reliable support, ensuring your comfort throughout the day. It's the perfect choice for any outfit or occasion. Experience the freedom of movement with tape that stays in place. It's gentle on your skin yet strong enough to hold. Whether you're looking for a subtle lift or a dramatic enhancement, this kit provides the versatility you need. Transform your silhouette effortlessly. What we like. This tape offers versatile support for a wide range of cup sizes. If you need a reliable solution for breast lift and shaping that works for almost everyone, this is your go-to. It's excellent for achieving the desired silhouette under any outfit. What people say. It lasted through an outdoor wedding in Kansas in the summer. That's literally incredible. Wearing this stuff is way more comfortable than a strapless bra, and it looks better too. It holds up super well, and is super sticky without being too much. It works great for underdresses for weddings or other events. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.